Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make sparkling cherry collagen tea, and I'm super excited about this. Every week we post a new video with a recipe and then a second video featuring the Herbalife products, what we're using, how we're using it, why we're using it, and all the details about that. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and also tap that bell so you don't miss anything. We have several videos coming to you every week. All right, so let's get this made. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it sparkling. So I've gotten some sparkling water, and one of the things that I really look for when I'm using sparkling water with my Herbalife products, because my Herbalife products are very, very clean and very healthy, and I like to keep my drinks that way. So I look for organic ones, or look for ones that are naturally flavored. They have no added sweeteners. It's just the carbonated water. And that's what this is. There's several options that are really clean. Just make sure you don't get ones that have sugars added to them or artificial sweeteners. Stay away from those, you don't need them. And we're also gonna use our lemon herbal tea concentrate. You can actually use any flavor herbal tea concentrate you want with this. It's actually better with raspberry. I just don't have any raspberry on me today. So I'm using lemon herbal tea concentrate, and I'm using our collagen booster. This is part of the skin line, but I'm telling you, the collagen is so good for every part of our bodies. And, you know, it's great for athletes who really are kind of abusive on their joints. It's awesome for the joints. It's great for all connective tissue. It's great for the connective tissue around our muscles and the ligaments and things like that. It's fantastic for your skin. It helps to get rid of cellulite. It helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. And this stuff is super effective. I love this so much. Look, I love it. Anyway, so we're gonna use, those are the three things we're gonna use. This is super simple. I'm gonna use basically some, just a small amount of room temperature water. And I'm also gonna add just a little tiny bit of heated water, just to make things dissolve a little faster. So I'm gonna put that in there. And I maybe have 1.5 ounces of water in here total. Let me move this down here so you can see better. And now I'm gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of the herbal tea concentrate in here. And I'm gonna put 1 scoop of the collagen booster in there. Uh-oh, getting low, time to get some more out. So just 1 scoop, put that in there. Now the collagen booster doesn't really mix well. It doesn't dissolve very well in cold water. So that's why I'm using room temperature water. I'm actually gonna make this iced. But I want the collagen to dissolve better. So we're gonna stir this up. And with the collagen, I'm gonna show you a couple of tricks. Because do you see how it's got these clumps in there? It's just where water's formed a barrier around the powder. So I just take it and smash it against the side of the cup, and then it dissolves right away as soon as we break the little bubble around it. So get that all mixed up. Smells yummy already. And the collagen booster is a strawberry lemonade flavor. So that has a wonderful flavor on its own. And of course this is certified gluten-free, if that's important. Now I'm gonna grab some ice and put in here. So I'm mostly gonna fill up my glass with ice. Okay, so now I've got plenty of ice in here, and now I just pour the sparkling water over the top. Like so. So guys, that's really all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. That helps us out so much, more than you even know. And we read every comment, so let us know in the comments here what kind of things you'd like to see in these videos, what things you want more of, what questions you have. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I mean it. Bye for now. See you next time.